breakfast time. Okay, still white. I've broken my egg. Breakfast for the husbandman. Hi blessed people, so tomorrow I have a gift basket to deliver, so I'm going out. I'm trying to be as fast as possible. I want to get a couple of items, the things I will be putting in the gift basket. So I came to this shop in New Town, just before you get to the old market junction. They always have like everything decor in this shop. I think it's called JK's Events or something. I came here to get baskets and some other things. Yeah. Even those wooden ones that have been nailed there like that. No, it's small. Okay. Okay, you don't have the bigger size of this one, eh? You don't have another size of this silicone mold. It's only the size that is there. How much is it? Size? No, it's smaller size. Only different. It's easy to. Okay, like square shape. What they even use it for? That's not what I mean. I want to use it to freeze my ingredients, then remove them when they are frozen and put them somewhere else. Ingredients for cake? No, not for cake. I just want to use it in my kitchen. Because when you use the other one now, it's a bit strong to remove. When you want to remove. Ingredients for cooking. Yes, just to blend everything, freeze it in this quantity that I can use to cook. It's a little bit big. You know, it's not that big, and it has just few compartments. If it's too much ingredient. This is another design. So you guys remember the vlog where I was talking about needing to get silicone molds? I finally found something here, but apparently this one is tailored more for people who bake. So I couldn't find the ones that I want, the ones that look exactly like what I have. Today is keep Limbe clean and I did not know, so I left the house. Even this lady's store was not open, but she was just sitting outside. She opened her door halfway, so I had to go buy some things from Easy Shop and then go to another shop just close to Easy Shop to get clothes for Joshua. So I had to sit down in front of her shop and just wait a bit. The silicone molds that she has are not really what I want, and I was hoping to get ones that also have cover so that my entire freezer will not be smelling like spices. But I might go back and get some from her. I didn't get it because I was just a little hesitant. So I came to this lady who sells coconut sweets. You guys can see the difference between her coconut sweet and the one I shared in the video, right? The one I made. So I'm going to do another coconut sweet recipe showing you guys how to get it to look like this. This one is it looks really like they use with their hands to cut it, so it's tedious. The non-seasoning cube that I've been using to cook, if you want to get it in Limbe, I can give you directions. The person don't ask me the thing. Yeah, piece clothes. But they be there together. I feel like say they be there individually.
No, now one for the card na so.
Okay.
I na so.
That means I divide that now.
Then we need a towel. Some red towel.
Yes. We get some small. This is so.
Face towel.
You get something.
How old is this?
1 month. I think I say how old is it?
No, 1 month.
1 month.
I can say I will know whether big. 2 piece. Most of my clothes are either 3 piece or.
You wanna 2 piece?
See this one is 3 piece. Most of them are either 3 piece. One get 2 in a way. If you don't want me, if you
see no, you see that clothes we give me so you don't get another color.
Now look at
yes. because now the exact it be so comfortable for his skin when I wear it, especially when he
The
did.
cotton.
Yeah, the cotton really nice.
Another one there.
Okay.
This one at 12 months.
12 months. I laugh in parable. I get the trouser. Oh, Baba and Okika. Mama don't wear and send her for we. Don't wear and send her for we. Okay, the one at 3-piece.
This one is 6 months.
Oh, he can wear this.
You can take that 12 months.
Yes, he can wear it.
This is
You know, big.
just one more now.
Mama me.
If
If he wear this size, so he's fat.
this is 6 months. 6 months again. This is 6 months.
Anyway, not true, nice sizes. I never overestimate my bikini.
Say big bed at least.
Yeah, the one it go look so it go look like clothes. You know, look like saying a big boy like that.
That one now go look like big bed. The thing about clothes and cotton.
Yes, you see me. I asked you about that clothes now because when I wear them for you, I did not say you can tell the difference.
The cotton they find a bit comfortable for their skin.
Now the one day we send 6 months now. More put on one
I
side.
have to set this to also say fine makeup. Very bright.
Me. Tell me now, only price now you tell me.
Only price now.
You tell me the price where I need for call my auntie and uncle them they can't pay.
They can't pay.
So now come on, now bikini.
So if we cover, insurance cover you.
Insurance really cover it. Close over there.
Close day, I get enough stock. I did sell like this, they say they shake. I did say they say they shake. So it was there as an operation.
If you have babies, come just around Easy Shop. We have clothes plenty, good quality. See no, see the way they did so well. I know say I want wash picking. I just jake the two so I know say they go together. I need calculate whether the one they go is yes. It's easy. It's easy. I mean, you know why I don't like 4-piece? Because something they ever be for the 4-piece where I no use them. You understand?
The same clothes.
Okay, 2 times.
2 body suits and 2 joggers.
But they get different look. Okay, the one get t-shirt.
You don't see the one that they say, I just say they up the day like t-shirt where you dress picking, they look dressy. Yes.
Okay, no, but the one a t-shirt will no be. Okay, not pinning. Oh wow. I see.
But they make the body suits in a way where it look like a t-shirt they begin wear out. So that if you want to take it, so that's something that they do when I buy clothes and so when they say cabin biscuit as well.
You buy cabin biscuit. That's what I've done here.
see.